Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our case today very interesting. Full term, 41 weeks, admitted to NICU due to severe RDS, respiratory distress, meconium aspiration syndrome, and infant of diabetic mother. Connected to mechanical ventilation, received 1 dose of surfactant and septic workup taken and started antibiotic. After 6 hours of age, nursing staff reported to the on-call doctor, Dr. Muhammad, the baby was desaturated up to 80% with FI2 oxygen 60% requirement. Became more tachypnic, respiratory rate 90 cycle per minute, and heart rate 152 beat per minute. Dr. Muhammad immediately came and assess the baby condition because this is life-threatening condition. On examination, baby was tachypnic, RR 90 cycle per minute, cyanosed, decreased breath sound on the right side comparable to the left side, and there is asymmetrical of the chest or asymmetry of the chest with chest bulge. So the impression, the evaluation after history clinical assessment, it was right pneumothorax to rule out what? Dubi. What is Dubi? It's tube displacement or obstruction or pneumothorax or equipment failure. So the plan, this is medical emergency. So trans-elimination was done, was positive, and needle aspiration was done. There is 15 ml was aspirated and requested for chest X-ray, confirmed right side pneumothorax. So intercostal tube connected, inserted and connected to underwater seal with low suction. So the message from this case: baby on mechanical ventilation having desaturation, tachypnic and decreased breath sound on the right side and chest bulge or asymmetry, think about Dubi, displacement of the tube, obstruction of the tube, pneumothorax or equipment failure. Our case was pneumothorax, is actually classic presentation because the baby tachypnic, decreased breath sound on the right side, and asymmetry of the chest and chest bulging. So this is case of pneumothorax, and you have to check also the tube for obstruction or displacement and equipment failure or the ventilator. So our case, right side pneumothorax, you have to do trans-elimination, needle aspiration, chest X-ray, and you have to insert intercostal tube and connect it to underwater seal with low suction. Shukran, salam alaikum.